stop. I get it. But if the date doesn't say when the food's safe to eat, why does the federal government put it there?
Hate to break it to you, they don't. We all assume that these labels are some kind of big government safety regulation. But with the exception of baby food, the federal government actually doesn't require date labeling of any kind. Melinda, this is Dana Gunders. She's a senior scientist at the Natural Resources Defense Council and a co-author of a major 2013 Harvard report detailing the massive problem with these dates. Hey guys, Adam here. If you like that, be sure to watch new episodes of Adam Ruins Everything every Tuesday at 10 on truTV.